Hello everybody, I pray you're doing well. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. It's been a while. And I pre-ordered the new jelly sandwich collection from HoloTaco. It is still available and the price is going to be $89. It should be 9 polishes and I do remember getting a few more items. So let's take a look. Yes, so I did get this nail filer. It is very small compared to the bigger one. And the reason I did that is so I can throw this in my purse. So that is very cute. This one right here is going to be the butterfly taco. Which literally has butterflies, iridescent, silver glitter. And the butterflies are holographic, as you can see. And then we have this one. Oh, yes, I got this for a coworker. I know it will look very nice on some of her polishes that she uses. And this is the Aurora Unicorn Skin. It's a shift from like green, purple, pink. It's beautiful. It will look gorgeous in any color or on any color. It is a topper as well. And then we have one of the jellies. This is in my peelings, which is like an orange. Beautiful. Okay, up next, we're gonna have yes, this is the watermelon, yes, nail oil. And this next one is another topper. And it has silver circles with matte, I would say hexagons, pink, yellow, blue, dark pink, and this is used to be able to create that jelly sandwich effect. So another beautiful topper. This one is Meltdown. That is beautiful. And for comparison, this one is Sky High. So you can see the difference. Of course, you can't miss a purple in a collection. This was called Grape Expectations. Beautiful. And this last one is Gloss and Found. This is like a pink red color and it's gorgeous. So that being said, you have, let's see, 5 jelly colors and 2 gorgeous toppers, which if you get the entire, oops, wrong one, not correct one. If you get the bundle, it also comes with the oil pen. So absolutely beautiful collection. You can also buy them individually. You don't have to buy the whole kit. So if there's a color that you don't like, you could just pick up the ones that you do like. If you want to see a video of all the colors being swatched, she does have a video up and showing all the beautiful colors and some designs. So I would check her channel out, HoloTaco. And again, this one I had purchased myself because I wanted a small one to be able to carry around in my purse. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. You have a blessed day or blessed night, blessed afternoon, and don't forget, Jesus loves you.